Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel. Today what I have here with me is the Sharp microwave oven with grill. Serial number is R607EK. So if you are new to my channel, I do all sorts of unboxing and review videos. If you are interested, please subscribe and like. So here is the box. Before we go ahead and unbox it, let's talk a bit about the specification. This is a Sharp microwave oven with grill, 25 liter. The maximum watt for microwave is 900 and the maximum watt for grill is 1000. So for function wise, it has 11 power level. The cooking time is approximately 99 minutes and 50 seconds. It has 6 auto menu. It has defrost function, clock, kitchen timer, child lock, and for the appearance wise, it is black in color. Interior is grey in color. The control panel is touch. The glass door is mirror type, and the display is LED. For the accessory, Sharp provided a turntable and also a high rack. At the end of the video, I will show you how to make a pizza from this microwave oven. Stay tuned. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. So when you first open the box, there is a warranty card and user manual in it. Alright, that's the end of the video. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thanks for watching.